Go.
It was spring in the barnyard, and the wee little chick was all brand new. This wee little chick was a little chick. My, you're so tiny. Bleated the nanny goat's tall. Such a tiny little pig, squealed the pickled pig. But the wee little chick peeped loudest of them all. Such tiny little legs.
It's looking at you, Owen. Look down at it. It's looking at you.
But the wee little chick ran fastest of them all. Such a tiny little beak. Not the wobbly cow. But the wee little chick found the biggest seed of all. Then Mama Hen clicked. Dad, dad, dad. She's my wee little chick. She's just big enough. Oh, that wee little chick was such a proud little chick. And the wee little chick, picking all little chicks, snuggled close to Mama for a wee little sleep.
That was quick, Owen.
That was a quick book.
Yeah. So now